Hey everyone, if you ever opened LeetCode and started at those 200,000 problems wondering where do I even start, trust me, you are not alone. I remember my first day I opened a random question, saw words like binary search tree and dynamic programming and immediately closed the tab. If that sounds like you, stay with me because in this video I will tell you how to start solving DSA questions on LeetCode step by step. Even if you are an absolute beginner, no jargon, no pressure, just a real path that actually works. First thing first, DSA is not just about solving problems, it is about learning how to think like a problem solver. Most beginners make this mistake, like they rush to solve lead code hard questions because they see others doing it. But here is the truth, when you are starting out, your focus should be clarity, not quantity. So before you even open LeetCode, make sure you have built some foundation like learn the basic data structures, arrays, string, linked list, stack and queues. Understand how loops, condition and recursion work in your preferred language like C++, Java or Python. So you don't need to be an expert, just enough to understand what is going on when you read a question. And remember this, lead code is not a race, it is a gym for your brain. You get stronger every time you lift a slightly heavier problem. Okay, so let's open LeetCode now. If you are a complete beginner, don't go random. Start with the top interview 150 or LeetCode Explore sections. Inside Explore, there is a DSA learning path, arrays, strings, linked list, and so on, in an order that makes sense for learners. Start with easy problems only. You will find patterns repeating again and again, and that is exactly what you want. For example, ToSum teaches you how to use a hash map, reverse string builds logic for array manipulation, and merge to sorted list shows you how to handle linked lists. So these are kind of problems that shape your thinking. Now the most important part is how to actually solve a leet code question. So to solve a leet code question, here is my 4-step formula. Step 1 is read the problem slowly. Don't rush to code, understand what the problem really wants. If needed, rewrite in your own words. And step 2 is think of small examples. Let's say the input is 2, 7, 11 and 15 and the target is 9. Try to solve it manually. What would you do by hand? Step 3 is write a simple solution first, even if it is not efficient. Focus on getting the correct answer and then optimize. Then after you can optimize the solution. Step 4 is learn from other solution. Once you solve it, or even if you don't, read the top voted discussion. You will discover new techniques and patterns. So that is where real learning happens. Don't feel bad if you could not solve it alone. Even pros fails the few tries. So what matters is what you learn after each attempt. Now here is a little secret. LeetCode is not about doing 500 questions in a week. It is about doing 2 to 3 questions daily and consistently with honesty. Even if you solved just one problem every day, that is 30 problem a month. And trust me, after 3 months, you will start recognizing patterns instantly. You will look at a new questions and go, oh, this is just a variation up to some, or this looks like a sliding window problem. So that is when you realize that you are no longer questioning, you are thinking like a coder. So build a routine, pick one topic per week, arrays this week, a string next week, and stick to it. You will see progress faster than you expect. So let's be real, there will be days when you will feel dumb, when nothing makes sense, when you will stare at the screen for hours, and that is okay. Everyone goes through that phase. Even top coders on YouTube suggest struggled in the beginning. So the trick is simple, don't stop showing up. You are not learning DSA just to crack an interview, you are training your mind to think logically, to break problems down and to stay calm under pressure. And that skill will help you in everything you do, not just coding. So if you have been scared to start lead code, Start today. Open an easy problem, read it, try it, fail it, learn it, and repeat. Because remember, every expert was once a beginner who refused to give up. So, if this video helped you, make sure to like and drop a comment saying I'm starting my LeetCode journey today, and subscribe for more practical coding motivation. I'll see you in the next ones. Until then, keep learning, keep coding, and keep growing.